Alright guys, welcome. I hope you're doing great. Let's have a look at the page 10 in your book, and it is the topic 1b. As you see, the name of this topic is called past tenses contrast. And when I contrast something, I want to compare it with the other. So if you look at the past tenses that you should already know, we're talking about the combination of tenses like past simple, past continuous, and past perfect. If we translate it, it can be said as minulý prostý, minulý průběhový, a minulý přečitelný. We can put these tenses together in a sentence, and they will make a very big difference in our idea that we want to tell other people. Let's have a look at the first idea here. Past simple and past simple. So, when I tell you some sentence that will have past simple and past simple, I am giving a sequence of events. If I translate the words here, sequence means that the actions happen one after another. 1, 2, 3, 4. To znamená, jedná se o chronologické akce, které se odehrávají jedna za druhou. Dáme si příklad. Let's have an example. I went home. I took a shower. I took a shower and watched Netflix, for example. So now the question is it already finished or not finished? I'm giving you a story, and this story has already finished. So by the time I'm telling you this sentence, I am not at home, and I am not taking a shower right now, and I am not watching Netflix at the moment. I am telling you a story, right? So this is action 1, this is action 2, this is action 3. 1, 2, and 3. If you look at the timeline, 1, I went home. The second, I took a shower. And the third, I watched Netflix. All these 3 are in a clear past. From the context that we are describing here, I know when it happened. It can be yesterday, it can be a week ago. But both speakers, when I am speaking to my friend and my friend listens to me, we both know the time we're talking about. Maybe it was last weekend. We don't know here because I am not saying it in the sentence. I did not say anything here. But when I say that, I'm telling you that it is finished. And it happened at a given time. The given time is probably here in the context. And the context, let's say here, can be last weekend. So I can say it in a sentence, or I know it from the context. I know from the situation that we are describing. So as I said, number 1, number 2, number 3. So you should remember, guys, I use past simple in a sentence, and if I have more, then I'm giving you a chronological order of actions. Chronologický řád těch věcí. Takže pokud já použiju jenom past simple ve větě, potom všechny akce v té větě následuje jedna za druhou. Takhle to slyší Angličan, okay? In the Czech language, we don't really have this kind of logic. And this is why it can be a little problem for a lot of people. Let's have a look. So this was the past simple, past simple. Let's see the second combination, where I put past simple and past continuous together. Let me give you the example, number 2. Past simple plus past continuous. To znamená, dáme dohromady, oba časy jsou minulé a jeden z nich je prostý, jeden z nich je minulý. Alright. Let's have a look at how it works. I saw my friend while I was going home. Když si to přeložíme, uviděl jsem svého kamaráda, když jsem šel domů. In the Czech language, we don't really make a big difference if it's happening for a long time or a short time. Me seeing my friend happened in a very short time. So I would just say, I saw my friend is the past simple, and here I have past continuous. If you look at the timeline, it will look like this. I was going home, this action was taking some time, and then something entered this action. Something came in. I saw my friend. I saw my friend. Don't forget, everyone, that at the moment I'm speaking, it is already finished. So I'm here, I'm in now, and I'm describing two actions in the past that are already finished. From the context, I can know when, but at least I know it's finished. There is no effect on the current situation. And I know that something was happening for a long time. I was going home. I was in the process of going home, and then I saw my friend. It just happened very quickly. And it happened while I was going home. Now, I can also say the same sentence, and I can switch it, and I can say, I was going home. I was going home when I saw my friend. This sentence is exactly the same, but you should see that I used the order in a different way. It doesn't matter if you want to say the process first and then the one-time action that came into it, or if you want to tell me the one-time action and then the process. The only thing that differs here is the conjunction. Ta spojka tady, která má spojit dvě věty, bude jiná. If you want to tell me the one-time action that will come later, then you should use when. This is for one-time action. This is for the simple. Alright? For past simple in our situation. And while is for describing the process. So after while, I use continuous, and after when, I use the one-time action. So again, I'm telling you a story, and this time I'm describing that one thing was happening in the background. Na pozadí se dělala nějaká věc. I was going home, right? And then something came into the middle of this background action, and that was me seeing my friend. Okay, this is the second situation. The second possible situation for using past tenses. Now, let's see how I can combine the third situation. I can use past continuous and past continuous together. Alright? I'm telling you a story and I'm giving you two actions that were happening at the same time, and they both took some time. Let's have a look at how it works. The first one is here, and the second one can be here. So, I was taking a shower while, let's say, the telephone